Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -5, B is -8, C is 1 and D is 1.4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to say the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all we have to solve the bracket which is 17 plus 3. So this we have to solve. It becomes 20 and divided by 2, divided by again 2 and divided by 5 and divided by 2. We will write here as it is. So first step, we have solved bracket or parenthesis. Now step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or order of operations. So in this expression, we have to find out which exponent part we have given. So now this time we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step right now. Now move forward to step number 3 for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. For this, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 20 divided by 2. So according to the rule, either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, we have to follow same rule. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 20 divided by 2. We have to solve this one, 10 and divided by 20, again divided by 5 and divided by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference. 20 divided by 2 equals to 10. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. Now this time we have 10 divided by 2. It becomes 5 and divided by 5 and divided by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 and divided by 2. We will write here as it is. Here we have to give the reference 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. Now we have 2 terms and 1 divided by 2. So we have to solve this one and find out the correct answer. It becomes like 0.5. So the answer of the given expression is 0.5. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression, the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.